Hi guys, here is Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Philippine Cooking Class. Bum bum ba-da-bum, bum bum ba-da-bum, bum bum ba-da-bum. Today we are making summer chicken soup. Have you heard about Korean ginseng chicken soup? Today we are making that. Wow. Look at this cute chicken. Sorry chicken. We need to trim some part of this chicken. Well, before starting it, you know why we call that chicken soup as a summer chicken soup? In a summer season in Korea, super hot, it's super wet. So a lot of people get tired easily. We need something great food to get energy. So we eat this one. So with scissor, let's get rid of, oh, sorry chicken, this tail. Why I'm getting rid of this part? Because it has a lot of fat, so it smells not really great. So let's get rid of the tail part and end of wing. I already washed it up, so it's already clean. So chicken is ready. Let's talk about other ingredients. Onion. Today I'm not gonna check the weight for the broth. Just like one handful onion, one handful garlic, just like one spring onion, and a little bit of chives. Chive is optional. Enough water, pepper, salt, and this one is sticky rice. I already put into the water, so it already has a lot of the water. 4 big spoons of rice. Please put into the just normal water for 30 minutes before starting this cooking. And the important thing, Junghee, what are you having it? If you come to Korea and if you go to local market, you can check a lot of different types of like tree and dried something, and then you're not really sure how I use that one. So tree, we can make soup with this. We can just boil it with water so we can drink it as tea. We call this medicine tree or a magic tree. If you can't find this kind of package for the chicken stew, of course you can just grab this one. If you don't find this one, you can just prepare the dried jujube or chestnut. We call this hwangi. Hwangi is kind of like tree. It helps to recover our energy. This is good for someone who is sweating a lot. It's all optional thing. Of course, you can add ginseng if you can find it. So today I'm using this one. Let's open it. There are 2 little jujube and a lot of different types of medicine tree in a bag. It's quite useful, right? But this one is quite optional. Okay, it's all ready. So we need to put a lot of things into the chicken. If you have whole chicken, the inside is empty, right? You need to wash it up really well. Then add rice. 1 spoon. Yeah, into the pot. 2 spoons and 3 spoons. And 1 or 2 garlic and little jujube and 1 more. Then we need to seal. How? We cannot use glue, stain flour, right? So grab 1 leg. Yep. You see it? Like this. Then the other legs put into the. Oh, I need to make a little bit bigger. Be careful with your finger. To the whole other legs, like this. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, 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 bum. And then put into the big pot. And 1 more chicken. And just a little bit of 1 or 3 all again. Sorry chicken. La la la. And put into the pot. Then put this package and let's add some water. How much? Until chicken covered. Then the rest of garlic put into the pot and rest of onion. You don't need to cut. Spring onion, just make it half. Chives, optional. Put everything. How was the process? Quite simple and easy, right? Because we don't need to check the weight. We don't need to care about any other sauce and seasoning. Just takes time to cook. Let's turn it on. with high max fire. Just leave it. I need to manage with this messy place. Minutes passed and now it's boiling. I prepared the lid, but I didn't cover the lid because the all bad smell is gone. Now all the fat, something bad things from the chicken is coming out. Now get rid of it. To get a clear stew, we need to get rid of this. If you just leave it, this kind of bad things gonna stick onto the skin, the chicken skin. Like turning around the chicken. Oh, black, but it's okay. It's already cooked. The outside, so the rice will not come out. Let's cover the lid. And the fire, turn to the medium. Let's leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. 45 minutes passed. Oof. Let's check it out. Smell is already great. Amazing smell. Color is really great. Oh my god. Look at this. Really thick. So, I have little chickens, right? But if you have a big size of chicken, I think you need to cook more than normal. Oh my god. Look at this. Chicken. Oh my god. Let's do. And look at this amazing spring onion and chives. Wow. It's done. Thank you for watching my channel. Oh my god, I can't wait. See you next time. Bye bye. This chicken soup make me warm and healthy. So let's try. We didn't put any seasoning things, right? To the empty little plate. Let's add just a little bit of salt. Just one dish of pepper. This chicken is already flavored. So we don't need a lot of things. Just simple. Salt and pepper, they're enough. 잘 먹겠습니다. Oh my god. Super tender and soft. Oh my god, look at it. Can you see it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't forget about the sticky rice. When you break it, inside. Oh my god. Can you see this sticky rice? It's really hot. Soup, curry, sticky rice, and garlic, and the dried jujube. Oh my god, it's really tasty. I can get energy. My daughter, we didn't add any salt and pepper, so she can eat it. You want some?